Hi, it's Chris. I hope you are all well today. In this video, again, a basic tool all of you should have in your workshop. Unior's Shimano Freewheel remover. Let's take a closer look at it. Unior's Shimano Freewheel remover is made from special tool steel and is blackened for extended durability. It is compatible with Shimano, SRAM, Sach Aris and Sunrace freewheels. The tool features a 1/2 inch adapter, making the use of a ratchet tool or a torque wrench possible. Also, a 21mm flat wrench or hexagonal socket can be used on the tool. For removal of the freewheel, the tool is turned counterclockwise. On the opposite, for installation of the freewheel on the threaded hub, the tool is turned clockwise. All good, that was Unior's Shimano Freewheel remover. Thanks for watching, I'll see you next time.